Happy summer! Hi, I'm Sue, registered dietitian with Wilmot Cancer Institute and the Pluta Integrative Oncology and Wellness Center. Today we're going to make a quick and delicious chocolate mousse topping that's perfect for those fresh summer berries. Here's a beautiful, light, and healthy summer dessert. Here's how we're going to make the chocolate mousse. We're going to start with some silken tofu. Tofu comes in different consistencies. The silken tofu is a softer consistency and it blends really well and it's perfect for things like smoothies, puddings, smoothie bowls. It will have a nice light and airy and creamy texture once blended. We're going to add some dark chocolate. We're going to use, I like the bittersweet chocolate, but you could use a semi-sweet or milk chocolate if that's your preferred flavor. We'll add a small amount of milk for consistency and a little bit of vanilla. Let's get started. We're going to add all of our ingredients to a small blender or mini chopper, whichever you have at home. There's our silken tofu. I melted the chocolate wafers. Just melt the chocolate based on the instructions for your particular chocolate. And the recipe is in the link below with all the exact proportions that you need. We're going to add a small amount of milk for consistency and just a little bit of vanilla to give it that sweet dessert texture, flavor. We'll blend for about 30 seconds and then we'll show you how to finish off your dessert. When you're done blending your mousse, it will have a smooth, spreadable consistency. And now we're ready to top our berries. You could use any type of berries with this recipe. You can use strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries, or a combination. Just give them a wash before you're going to serve them. And here are some great toppings that you can use to finish off your dessert. We have shredded coconut, a fresh sprig of mint, or some slivered almonds or any nut of your choice. We hope you enjoy making this chocolate mousse recipe at home and serving it with some delicious local berries.